Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at some Slickwraps skins for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Obviously, this will fit other models as well. 16, they do have, pretty much all the iPhones out there. So I went with their Retro series. As you can see, that's what it looks like right there. Now, please excuse like some of this right here. That's just, I'm not very good at putting on the full body skins. So that is not the product at all. If I took a little bit more time and I was a little bit more patient, I could have perfected that a little bit more. But in my opinion, I think it still looks good. The buttons are cut out good. They're not sticking or anything like that. You have your camera control right there. You can see right here on the bottom, it kind of got crooked. That's what happened down there. But other than that, it looks very, very good. I like the beige. They do have beige, black, and white, and they do have a color series as well. So you do get two skins. This is the full body wrap right here where the sides are attached. And then you also do get one where they are in pieces. So if you just want to put like the back on, you do have that option. I'm going to leave this one on until it gets messed up, and then I'm probably just going to put the back on. I may try to put the sides on, and if they get messed up, oh well, I'll just leave the back. But that is that one. And then I also did order it in black. But my phone is already black, so I figured I would put the beige on first. But there you go. You can see the cutouts already cut off on there, and you can just put the back piece on. And this is what the other one looks like, where these sides are pre-attached. So that is that. Pretty nice looking skin. I'm very happy with the way it came out. Like I said, I'm not very good at all at putting on skins, especially the full body wraps where they wrap around the sides. But it came out good in my opinion. It looks pretty nice, despite the few little blemishes here and there. If you want to check these out or check out any other designs that they have, there is a link in the description. You get 10% off your order. If the discount doesn't apply when you use that link, just use code Techout in the coupon box when you do your checkout, and you can get 10% off your order. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.